in the first unit we have seen TE10, okay, or TM21 or TM12, or some modes with respect to propagation modes, where the propagation modes were only small m and small n. We have also seen some problems on it, okay. But here, coming to a cavity resonators, we will be having three propagation modes. The main modes are only TE and TM. Along with that, we have propagation modes which are nothing but our M, N and P. First unit lo only M, N undi. Okay. And ikkada cavity resonators lo we have M, we have N and we have P. Where M is considered as this width of this rectangular waveguide, which is denoted by A, and N can be considered as your thickness or the height of the waveguide, which is denoted by B, okay, and P can be considered as along this way, the distance or the length of the waveguide, okay. So ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, in a cavity resonators, along with the modes TE or TM, we will be having three propagation modes, that is M, N and P, okay. So the expression for F naught, okay, operating frequency in a rectangular waveguide for a cavity resonator is given by like this. So it can be two modes, as I said, TE, transverse electric mode, and transverse magnetic mode, with propagation modes of M and P. Both TE and TM of the resonant frequency is same in the rectangular cavity resonator, where it is given by F naught equal to C by 2 into of M by A whole square plus N by B whole square plus P by D whole square, whole of 1 by 2. This is an operating frequency of a rectangular cavity resonator. Note cheskondi. This is very, very important. So in a rectangular cavity resonator is used for generating a microwave frequency. So in these cavity resonators, we have circular waveguides or a circular cavity resonators, and a rectangular waveguides or a rectangular cavity resonators. Both will be operating in two modes, either TE mode or TM mode. Each mode has got a propagation modes with respect to M, N and P. In unit 1, rectangular waveguides or circular waveguides, we used to have two modes, TE and TM, with respect to propagation modes only two, small m and small n. Okay. So here in a cavity resonators, we will be having three propagation modes. These are nothing but TE, M and P.
This is the expression for circular cavity resonator in a waveguide. Okay, let us say we are using a circular cavity resonator. Okay, so the operating frequency F naught equal to C by 2 pi into P dash. You can also call it as P dash, or you can also consider it as capital P. Okay, P of Mn divided by A whole square plus P pi by D whole square, whole of 1 by 2. This is the operating frequency calculated for circular cavity resonator with only. And the above formula is for operating frequency, to find out the operating frequency for a rectangular cavity resonator. Okay, write down this formula also. This is also very, very important, where A is nothing but the radius, D is length or height of the cylindrical waveguide, and this capital P, or we are calling it as P dash, okay, that is equal to 2.4. Why? Because, and the value is predefined for this circular cavity resonator, because mostly in a circular cavity resonator, the frequency, minimum frequency will be 2.4 gigahertz. That's why in a circular cavity resonator, always P dash or capital P is given by 2.4. Okay, where 2.4 is nothing but the operating frequency, minimum operating frequency in a circular cavity resonator. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, circular cavity resonator lo you will be finding two P's. ikkada PMN or P dash MN will be there, and you can write it as P dash MN, or just you can mention it as capital P MN. Okay, ikkada inkoka P undi, this is small p, P into pi. Okay, this P is nothing but this small p is nothing but ikkada manaki mode lo M N P అని ఉంది కదా, it can be TE or TM. Okay, the small p is nothing but the propagation mode, which is nothing but this one. Okay, length, okay, or the distance. Okay, whereas this P is nothing but capital P or P dash, where the propagation mode or the minimum frequency which is obtained by a circular cavity resonator. E capital P gani P dash gani by default vachesi the value will be 2.4. Eppudaina gani whenever they ask you to find out operating frequency of a circular cavity resonator, okay, ee formula vesin tarvata capital P or P dash should be always you need to substitute as 2.4 only. Okay, and here this P you should substitute as whatever the question lo suppose they will give as TE012. Okay, what is the P now here? In a problem they will give a propagation mode of TE012. What is the P here? Value of P is 2. So small m is equal to 0. Suppose they will give like this. So TE012. They will give you this mode with some dimensions, and they will tell you to find out the operating frequency in a circular cavity resonator. So here, as per the given data, m equal to 0, n equal to 1, small p is equal to 2. Ardhamatunda? So this value should be substituted either in this P or in this P. Either in this P. Okay. Then, but this P, okay. Suppose question lo em icharu T012 ani icharu. Okay. So here P dash or capital P of what is small m? What is the value here given? 0. Small n value is 1. P dash of 0,1 or capital P of 0,1 should be always 2.4. By default 2.4. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అంతేగాని చాలా మంది ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ P లో కూడా they will be just substituting P equal to 2. You should not do like that. Okay, maybe these values may be near, but it can be ikkada edaina value undochu, cheppalem, we can't say. Okay, so always capital P or a P dash in a circular cavity resonator will be 2.4 only. Why? Because that is the minimum frequency generated in a circular cavity resonator. And coming to this P, this is the propagation mode which is given in the mode.